how easy and effective restore your headlights. We'll check it out. They're dirty, but this is from Walmart. It's maybe like maybe 20 bucks this kit, so it's worth it. This is what's included. How you can sand the headlight. Then you have glove, and then you have ceramic sealant liquid glass. Okay, we'll see, we'll test it. So I polish with the sandpaper what's included in the kit. Now dry off. Let's open this now. You have instructions on the back. You should use glove. I don't want to use it, but this is what's included inside. Let's try now. Holy moly, look at this. For 20 bucks, guys. Oh my god. And it's just first time I put on this. OMG. Look this one, how much is dirty. Big difference. Oh my god. So look, I never have cleaned headlight like this. For 20 bucks. You can find this in the Walmart. Thank you for watching.